Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers, and good morning, YouTube. Hopefully, you had a great day. Well, great weekend, and ready for a great day today. Because I know I'm ready today. We're going to try making some money today, and we're going to just keep it moving. Good morning, Smooth. Trump posted something this morning, I guess, and pushed the markets up, talking about they're talking with Iran, trying to get this thing settled. So who knows what's going to happen today? But we're here for it. We're ready for it. Yeah, 7:30. Bro, I saw them. Like, what happened? You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't think we had news today. But hey, whatever works, right? Let me log in on my Tradify account real quick. Check the trading journal, see if we got any news coming out today other than Trump talking or posting.
Posting and posting.
The 24th. Oh, so yep, no news today.
Lucius? Yeah, Lucius in the house.
What's up, Steve? Good morning.
Morning.
Not gonna lie, your boy's kind of full this morning. I already ate a meal today, which my body is not used to yet.
Well, you're going through a change, so you know. I mean, it's you're metabolically, you're gonna be going places, man. You're gonna be working out today.
Yeah.
In the house. Hit, baby, hit.
I'm just ready to get this trading session over this morning because my truck, last night I heard it. I picked up a nail or something in one of my truck tires. So when I was backing into my driveway, I heard like some like air like psst. I'm like, what is that? Looking, didn't hear it, nothing. My girl wanted to take my truck this morning and she calls me, yeah, you're going to need to get this truck fixed. I'm like, what do you mean? Yeah, something's off. Something's wrong. I'm coming back to the house. And sure enough, I got some nail or something in my tire. Whenever it passes over, it just spews air. I'm like, yeah, that's not good.
Yeah, I've had that happen before. And it just like, and it just only do it. You stop at a light, it'll let out like air, and then sometimes it won't, or just a little at a time.
Yeah, so I'll probably just get it. Honestly, I'll probably get like towed up to the tire shop because I'm not that guy trying to be on the side of the road trying to fix stuff.
Well, take it to the tire shop. They'll fix it.
No, 100%.
They'll either plug it or they'll recommend a new one.
I was already looking at getting two new front tires put on. Well, two more tires put on the back and then rotating the back to the front. So I'll probably just end up just doing that because I have some like off-roading tires on my truck. So it's a pain when stuff like this happens because they got to order the stuff, then wait a day or two, and then it can get fixed.
Yeah, you're going to dunk it now. 32s, baby.
What's up, Niner? You check news on Forex Factory? No, I did not. I use the trading journal with Tradify to check the news every morning. Good morning, folks. We'll see what the market wants to do when Trump talking about the whole Iran stuff, they're talking about peace and all that stuff. We're going to see what happens.
But I heard that the newest leader was dead. I don't know if that's true, but
I know they've been taking all of them out. So,
well, you know, they have the B-52s, which are, you know, like our premier, just like carpet bombing thing, carry cruise missiles over there. And we also got the A-10s, which are the tank busters that are patrolling the Strait of Hormuz. So it's I mean, if they have that hardware there, they're pretty much operating with impunity.
yeah.
So well, I mean, the hard thing is like, you know, they could always do something, but they're very compromised right now. I just hope that they don't give it back to the, like the radicals. So I think that's, give the country back to the people that aren't going to make women wear a curtain on them.
All right, perfect. Audio sounding good. What's up, Rob? Good morning. All righty. Well, let's see what we got here. So, we had the close from Friday, 217.25, 217.25 below us. The VWAP is currently below us as well, sitting down there around 212.50 area. We have a pivot point below us currently, 284.50. And we have a pivot above us sitting there at 595, 595.
Cool. And you're 42, was your EMA around 542?
The EMA is currently sitting at, for me, 549.25 for the 21.
Fine. Be different. You know what I mean? At least it's only like 2 houses down today.
We're on the same block. We're on the same block.
Like sometimes it's like, hey man, I'm over at Castleberry. Like, what are you doing over there, Steve? We're over in Altamont.
I think the market gonna do like a little pullback, probably go down.
Well, that
but if
one
it goes,
candle,
if it goes above the 660, it's going up.
Yeah, I feel like we may push a little bit only because of what Trump came out saying. So that's the thing we're gonna have to watch.
It's actually kind of scary though, because like a tweet could happen at any time.
No, 100%, 100%.
Oh, it's a bear flag, A++. He just says, Iran surrender. It's like, boom, wow, or vice versa.
Yeah, yeah. I'm ready to lift today because today's chest day.
So do you already have your splits? Is he like surprising you a little bit every day?
He gave me my splits already. It's literally the same splits I've been doing. So Monday chest, Tuesday's back, Wednesday legs, Thursday shoulders, and then Friday we'll do arms, but it's gonna be hit workouts. So he's gonna have me doing other things other than just hitting chest.
Oh yeah, well I mean it's like
with that hit workout, you doing them full body workouts, which is good though.
That's the thing, and then also like if you're
just high intensity for a short amount of time, and then that's good, Duane. That's good.
Yeah, we're gonna see.
He's gonna put you on like less weights, and you're gonna be like pumping.
Well, burnout.
Weight.
There's no burnout.
Oh yeah.
I'm excited because I've already been to the place, so I know what I expect at this point, somewhat.
No,
but I'll be happy in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, I'll be happy because at that point, I'll be a little bit more in shape, so it won't feel like work. We got less than 2 minutes for market open here. Less than 2 minutes now for market open. And honestly, I'm waiting the first 15 like usual. And I'm just ready to execute and make some money today. I told myself there is no target for today for myself, like how much I need to make or anything like that. I'm just going base hits. I'm base hitting and we're going to get some payouts just by base hitting. If you're trying to get an account funded or pass an eval, base hits. Base hits will solve all your problems, believe it or not. How do I know? Because it helped solve my problems with trading. Good morning, Travis. I'll probably run a stop loss, possibly, depending on how the market's moving. We'll see.
30 seconds.
I want A+ setups too, bro. Yeah, less than 30 seconds now for market open. Hold on to your seats. Grab your waters. Get ready, boys. The ride's about to start.
Here we go.
5 seconds. Feeling good, Travis. Another day in paradise, bro. Boom, base hit complete. Jesus, Niner, that was fast. The market's been open for 13 seconds. I got some wild men in the chats. He say base hit complete. That's wild. Look at that wick on that candle. Ooh, Nelly's. Yeah, I'm glad I'm sitting out right now till 9:45 because ooh.
You keep telling yourself that job.
I keep saying it because I gotta remind myself. That's all. Like I'm not talking y'all. I'm reminding myself what I'm doing.
Yeah, you're hearing Duane's inner dialogue, ladies and gentlemen.
Does that make me crazy if I talk to myself?
Not if it keeps you out of a trade, it doesn't.
Hey, we'll take it then. We'll take it. Did anyone do anything fun over the weekend?
Well, you know I did, but that's another story.
All right, it's 9:31. All right, I can relax a little bit now.
I really took a deep dive. Like I read like all the material that NinjaTrader has on the functionality of the ATM.
Mm-hmm.
Like just to know what every button does. So and what every setting does. Like kind of have a very clear idea. So I'm excited about that.
Okay.
I mean, it's not that I'm necessarily changing my what I'm doing, but it's just I just want to know everything it can do. You know what I mean?
Yeah. There's one that I actually want to check on with the ATM on NinjaTrader. It's the trailing stop.
Oh yeah, I've used those. One of the most interesting things I saw, it's under the more menu, and there's like a shadow trade, so you can actually put two of your competing ATM strategies on, and it'll run at the same time. And so you can use that on a SIM or a live account if you have multi-provider, and it'll just kind of show how each of them react. You're like, I want to tweak it a little bit.
Okay, that's cool.
And there's some other ones where it'll kind of like do things, and it says if you right-click in the menu in this mode, you can kind of make instant changes during the stuff. So
nice. Right now, real small range. Hey, Travis got that green thumb. Get it done, bro. UNC, y'all got those green thumbs. My legs today aren't feeling as sore, so I'm excited about that.
Well, that's good. 3 days later, you're starting to come around again.
They just got over most of the soreness for my workout today. You know what I'm saying? Excited. Real tight right now. The market's real tight right now. So who knows what's going to happen. Creatine for recovery. Okay. I think I just need to get in shape, really, because the wall squats and step-ups really did a number on the legs. Not going to lie. Good morning, Lucas. Yeah, this thing's real tight right now. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
I'm actually surprised because it had that monster candle, so I figured it'd be like a lot of energy like pent up in it.
Yeah.
One way or another, but I'll take a nap and wake me when it's over.
I got you. I may take a nap too. Rob, mine is costing me $80 an hour. $80 an hour. I got him 5 days a week for pretty much an hour each day. So $1,600 a month. Good morning, Brett. Right? That's what I thought, Rob, because like I didn't even have a personal trainer. I trained with this one guy for one session for 30 minutes and it cost me like $60. So for my guy to be charging me $80 for the hour, that I feel like that's a steal. Oh, market, what are you going to be doing today? Today's a no news Monday, and we already know how no news Mondays normally tend to act. So, if the market's just going to be chopping today, I may not put on a trade. But your boy really wants to. But I'm also like right there on a couple accounts for payouts. I'm like, I'm not trying to risk taking a bad trade and have to clean it up.
Well, at least we're getting a huge amount of movement on this 15-minute range. Woo-wee.
If you say that's a lot of movement, we'll take it.
I was teasing, obviously.
No, I know.
These are the jokes, man. My God, this feels like it's like 8:30 at night.
Yeah. All right, looks like we're going to come up and touch that. 21 just did that. Well, hopefully the red folder news later this week moves the market. So we tapped that 21 EMA, then we got hit with some selling pressure there.
Yeah, pretty much immediately.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Almost cleared to trade. Almost cleared to trade here. So I'm excited for that. But I'm also like, dang. I need some movement. I know some of y'all already have taken trades. Who's up and who's down right now? Who's up and who's down?
I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say my man G is up. He's too quiet.
Good morning, Jose, as well. You snuck on in here, sir.
Good morning, LWS family. I played some trade last night. I got my 50 valve just right now. So, just like you, no news Monday, no trade Monday.
You were breaking up slightly there, but I got the gist of what you were saying.
Now, Carmona knows what's up. This thing is like this. This is like watching a snail cross the street.
No, I wasn't breaking up. That's your audio. It's sounding crispy. I mean, it's not sounding so crispy.
Oh, good to know. Good to know. My bad, folks. If my audio ain't sounding crispy. I'll work on that.
No, but what I said was I got me some 50K evals, and I got them with just enough money for today that just like you, I'm gonna leave them alone. I ain't trying to mess them up.
Yep. No reason to. No reason to. This is where the real traders make their money, when they're sitting on the sidelines waiting to be able to get in. Because anyone could just click the button.
Oh yeah, well there's one guy that he trades like he doesn't trade futures, but he's talking about like when he's doing his setups, like sometimes he'll go like a week without just watching until they now execute, because I was like, wow, that alone, you know, is like some patience like you wouldn't believe, you know what I'm saying? So,
Yeah.
but you know, it just like, you know, whatever you have, I mean, it's like the more I think about what you said all along, it's like the trades you don't take are just as important, because my God. But at least the market's looking so sleepy right now.
Yeah, it's putting me to sleep. I want to go back to bed.
I'm not even tempted right now. It's like, golly.
I tend to look at trading kind of like if you're gonna sell some property, you gotta put more work in than you're getting paid hourly, but at the end it'll be worth it.
Oh yeah.
Yep. 100. I agree with that.
Well, I think that's like the biggest problem. Like if you go on the internet and you see like people talking about it, they're like, you know, they're selling their system, but they're not selling trading. And so they're like, but you know, it's like you got to figure out, you got to internalize it. You got to have a good system, but you got to. It's like getting a tablet or book on a guitar. You need to like learn how to actually play it.
We just flipped that candle. Are the bulls getting ready to push here?
Whoa, Nelly.
Oh, Nellies. Oh, Nellies. Right around this 21 EMA right now. We got to break this 21 to push if the bulls want to push here. There she goes.
Like ordinarily you wouldn't even be calling that out. It's like so inconsequential. There. What was that? 6 ticks? Oh my goodness.
Listen, we'll take anything right now. All right, we'll take anything right now with how this market's moving.
Them wrinkles are dancing like crazy.
Yep. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it.
It's like the cha-cha slide.
Like somebody's getting married by the end of the day at this point.
No, Trump's talking.
You see anything on there, Duane?
What was that?
Do you see anything on the TV?
I'm listening to him talk right now.
Oh, Trump is actually talking?
Yeah, he's answering questions on the tarmac in Palm Beach.
Okay, this could get interesting then, alright. Because he could say something about tariffs and send it the other direction.
Yeah, he can say a lot of things and move these markets.
The fire is getting done. We're dealing with a fire. terrace. You want to give me this big opening range while you get it when you get a second?
The low of the range is currently sitting at 432.50. High of the range sitting at 567.50. Ugh.
What was that noise about?
That's my old age right there. That's what that noise was about.
Oh, okay, Gramps.
What's up, Motion? I'm getting ready to run downstairs and use the bathroom because I had to wake up and drink 32 ounces of water to start my day. Not gonna lie, it's flowing right now.
I don't think you're missing anything now. And if you leave, we might actually get some action.
All right, let me go use the bathroom real quick. Be right back, folks. Don't let the market do anything too crazy. Oh.
All right.
All right, folks, I'm back.
Beautiful. I'm just sitting here just watching this thing like, okay.
What's going on, guys? It's been a while.
What's up, Adam?
What's happening?
How you guys been?
All right.
Another day in paradise, fam.
Oh yeah.
So we broke out of that 15-minute range there. But Trump's still talking. So don't really want to take a trade while he's talking. What's up, BP?
The doctor.
Very- Trump is very persuasive in the markets.
100%. There's the retest of the 15-minute range right there.
Well, we knew that.
The high of it. Who's up, who's down, who's all around.
Nothing's happening right now.
Like, I'm clear to trade.
That doesn't mean anything today.
Yeah.
Looking like a bull flag right there.
I see the
We got
flag.
that pivot right there above us as well. So,
Yeah, I see the flag, but I see the pivot, and I don't see real momentum. So it's got to do something, and then we'll talk.
yep. There's the pivot tab. First target would be 635.25. 635.25. BP, take your time. You ain't missing nothing, bro. You ain't missing nothing. Trump posted around 7 something this morning that they're talking with Iran to get everything settled. Right back down to that pivot once again. Maybe we build a bull flag here. Yeah, I'm not trusting this market today. Not today, market. You ain't tricking me. I want us to get away from this pivot, either above it or below it.
There's a Camarilla pivot there too. There's like right. It's like doubled up with the other one.
Okay.
There's the R4. It's literally like stacked.
That's crazy. Wow, that is scary. If you're trading on TradingView, my TradingView just glitched so hard. That's dangerous.
Was it at the when the candle reversed? Was it just like a lot of volume that just glitched it?
Yeah, like my TradingView paused for a second.
Oh no! And then all of a sudden it was like boom.
Woo. Well, we're back into this 15-minute range. Hey, $400. Awesome. Good job, bro. We got less than 4 minutes now. Less than 4 minutes for 10 o'clock here. No clue, Lucas. That's the first time it glitched like that on my TradingView. Thankfully, I got Ninja Trader pulled up as well, so that one was still going. That's how I knew it was glitching. No, it definitely happens, but that's the scary part, right? Since we know it does happen sometimes like that with the internet connections, everything like that. Like, that's like my biggest fear as a trader. Like, I take a trade and then my internet glitches out, so I can't close nothing. Like, I don't like that feeling. Full transparency, the market is not looking like what I would want right now. Just being honest. I need to see some momentum. Look at those buying pressure wicks on those 5-minute candles there.
Well, you're getting hungry on that one. Come on.
Yeah, Lucas, that's crazy, bro. Trump is talking. He's ranting a little bit.
I just went over and kind of like read through some of the text things, and so there might be like a 5-day period, to like, kind of like a test period, see if things are gonna go good. But then I guess Iran, like media, said that they're not in talks, but he's of course they don't know what they're saying.
Yeah. If we get above this pivot, maybe I take a long here. If I get momentum.
Can you stand it? That pivot, come on.
Come on, Tron. I need you to stop talking. Just so we can see what the market wants to do. We're coming up on 10 o'clock as well. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Are we ready for liftoff?
There's 10 right there. The chop up, the chop down on the Rincos. back above this pivot point.
We're loving it. Come on. We're like right where we were.
Like, I'm trying to like get excited, but it's hard to right now. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Duane, you funny, man.
You know what it is? It's like when somebody's trying to call a game. When somebody's like trying to announce a game and it's just like it's a total drag. Like a sports announcer.
I would like to take a trade. I would like to make some money, but
No, I mean,
not with the market acting like this.
this reminds me of the Friday I went to San Antonio at the airport. This is how the market was moving. And then like right before I had to jump on the plane, it started moving a little bit.
oh yeah.
BP, Trump came out at 7 something this morning saying that they're in talks with Iran to get everything settled. So futures pumped, oil dumped a little bit.
Futures pumped, oil dumped.
We're going sideways right now above this 15-minute range, and we can't trade sideways action. We trade up or downs, never sideways. They're more than red folder news, bro, because his tweet would moves the market. You know what I'm saying?
Have a bird? I never realized that.
All right, Trump's done talking. All right, he's done talking, so let's see what the market wants to do now. Oh, man. Come on, market. Do something, bro. We got people watching. We got people waiting. Anticipating. There's the 21 EMA. There we go. There's tapping the 21 EMA in the 15-minute range there.
It's getting exciting now. I'm not going to lie.
We need to lose that 21 EMA if we're going to go down. I'll say that. Close that one 470. I do not like that. I do not like that right there. I'm not going front. Happy I made 470, but I don't like that. Be careful, folks. Be careful.
On there, it was like finding resistance on your trade, and then it jumped. It's not moving well.
Yeah, no. I think I'm one of the only people that can make money and still be pissed off about it.
I caught like 300 off that short, but I'm glad I got out quick because it snapped back up.
Yeah, I don't like this price action right now. It's weird.
It's like strongly indecisive.
That I agree with, bro.
Decisively indecisive, you know.
Yeah, at this point I gotta wait for an A++ setup. Because the market's very special right now. Let's see if maybe we print a little bear flag, something. I need something. So we got buyers down here. We popped above the 15-minute range right there, but I'm not trusting none of it right now. Yeah, like we're literally just sitting up here, just chilling. Watching the Rinkos, it doesn't get me excited. So on the 2 minutes, trying to show a small little bear flag. Very small. I'm not even trusting that. Bulls are trying to flip that candle on the 2 minute right now.
Could it be because we're like the last week before we're switching over? Like, you know, so some people are on the old.
I wouldn't say that. Just all the stuff with Iran has really made the markets move weird, I'll say.
I agree on that part.
Where like when it's like tariff news, everything like that, you can kind of jump in and jump out because it's moving in a certain pattern.
Yeah.
Where with the whole Iran stuff, it's just been a straight chop fest.
No trade zone. No trade zone. I'm literally scared to take a trade.
Well, I want to take another trade, but I gotta see something.
Lucky for you, green is green. So
We got 40 seconds left on the 5 minute candle. Let's see what we get here. We're sitting right at this 21 EMA as well. I want us to get below it with momentum for a short. If we're staying above it, I'll be trying to look for longs, but we're literally going sideways right now. Ugh. Are we going to be doing a bear flag on this 5-minute chart? We got to get below this 21 EMA. Come on, Betsy. $21 EMA once again tapping.
That's weird. My wrinkle bars are frozen.
My trading view froze a little while ago. It was weird.
Like NQ is completely frozen, and it's still frozen.
There's the pivot.
I don't think I'm gonna try to trade of it, so it's still frozen on NQ. The other ones are working, but
Yeah, if it's messing up, don't take a trade. I would like to see some follow through.
Duane would like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag. I may honestly just switch over to evals at this point because
I shut it down. I'm not gonna like if it's gonna be that blatant. It's like I don't want it to get me in the middle of the trade.
yeah, I'm switching over to some evals. I'm not liking this price action. I'm not risking funded right now.
I'm just gonna do a complete reboot on my computer.
We're above this pivot point, but we got no volume right now. Travis, I feel you, bro. I feel you.
Hey Duane, I sent you that one help page that has all the information on the advanced strategy.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's in the group.
Okay, perfect. $635. $635 is my target. I closed it. I'm not even playing with it right now. I'll rotate to the next one. Let's see if we build a bull flag right here, take us higher. We got that selling pressure on that 5-minute candle. We're getting so close to my first target I had. The 635 level. The 635 level is my first target here. Almost tapped it. Almost tapped it there. There we go. 635's been hit. $702 area is my second target here. But I want to see some good momentum. Come on, give us something. Build it, give us a flag, give us some momentum, give us anything. Are you guys making money, losing money? How we feeling today, folks? How we feeling?
I'm so excited, I can't handle it.
Yeah, right now this market is like an Asian session right now. What's up, Oleg? Good evening, sir.
You're talking bad about the Asian session at this point. Damn.
Well, this may actually be faster than slower than the Asian session right now. Three trades, 590. Hey, good job, bro. Brad, sorry to hear that, fam. Maybe we build a little bull flag. Take us higher. Hey, if you lost some money today, this may be a good time just to walk away. Because the markets are slow. Ule, why are you going to give up on trading, bro?
I don't mind the markets being slow. I just they're not being themselves. That's what
Yeah.
I mean, you know what I mean? It's just like I can go into my strategies for this stuff, but I'm just afraid it's gonna just open up or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Always revenge. Yeah, Ule, you can't. Well, that's a lot of traders. You're not by yourself with that, right? So you need to work on the psychology of trading, brother. Got that second target up there, 702. 702 is my second target. Yeah, I'm like, do I even copy trade my Apex accounts today? Because I'm like, it's moving so slow. I'm not trying to risk 10 accounts. Decisions. Yeah, that was Steve.
What I do?
No, Smooth was talking about, I don't know, but someone in the call said it. The trades you don't take are just as important as the trades you take.
Yeah, true. Now, that's one of my big lessons. And it's not even revenge trading. It's just kind of feeling I need to be in there, and it's like, wait a second. You need to just like relax.
Yep. Maybe we get a little bull flag up here to take us higher.
What are we going for?
That's what I'll be looking for.
What's your next target?
It was right around the 702 level. It was 702.75. We got 40 seconds left on this 2-minute candle.
Man, that 5 minute printing out 8+ flat.
The 5-minute ain't printing nothing yet.
And D-Bop would like to see a flag. I mean, Dr. Duane, I'm sorry.
Dr. Duane. I ain't no doctor. I'll tell you that firsthand. I am not a doctor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only.
Are you not entertained?
Are you not entertained?
Do the whole Shaq line.
Alright, I think I gotta close Ninja Trader before I start over trading.
Yep, don't do it, bro. Don't do it. Don't overtrade. Go smell the fresh air outside. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
quick 160 scalp right there. I wanted way more, but I'm not sitting these trades today. I'll tell you that.
But it's not worth it.
Yep, no. And then it starts to do it. Ah.
What trade it's for? Line it up, vet it, forget it, set it.
We got 607.25. That's where the 21 EMA is sitting at. We're below the first target here as well. Nah, I'm not gonna risk it. No, not doing it. Let me switch to some Apex accounts. Where's my copy trader? 166.
Took a quick scalp for like 280.
Hey, let's go, G. Good job, bro.
Right out.
Yeah, with today's current market conditions, you gotta take what you can get. Don't be greedy. Just if you see green, take it. All right, close that. That should be 230 on 5 accounts right there. Let me double check. Yep, perfect. Some got 250, 240. We'll take that gladly. Let me rotate to the next group. Yep, Smooth. Walk away, bro. Walk away. We tapped that 21 EMA. Let's see how we react here. If we get through this 21 EMA, I'll take another short for the pivot point. I'll be targeting that pivot, which is at 594.50. 594.75 actually. Make him rich, Brett. Make him rich, bro. We got some buying pressure down here. Let's see if we get above 635. I may look at taking a long. Let's see if I get some follow through here. We're at the 635 level that I was talking about. Just copy traded that one as well. Not holding anything a day. I'm in and out like a thief in the night. Yep. I think I'm be done trading a day. Green cross all the accounts I traded today. I traded today too many accounts, I'll say that. Too many accounts. I'll throw that up there real quick so you guys can see that on the horizontal. And I'll add it up, but not the best market conditions today. But we'll take it. Actually, let me add this up. Base hitting, boys. Base hitting. That's all this is. $4,000. Dwayne G is a splitting image of you. Why you say that, Brett? Oh. Yeah, this market today has not been good. Lucas, you do have to trade it for 5 days. There's no profit like target. And there should be no consistency in the funded account. Bro, he does not look like me, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy, fam. Market's fallen. We went through that 21 EMA. Yeah, this thing doesn't know where it wants to go today. Oh god, I'm getting closer and closer to my workout today. We'll see what this man has me doing today. Yeah, this market is slow. Tonight we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure you guys tune in for that. We'll be talking trading, talking life, everything like that. So definitely tune in for that. BP, from your lips to God's ears, bro. On the 2 minute, it looks like one big bull flag that's trying to print. I will be getting off right at 11 today. I got to handle some stuff before running around. I had to go grab one of my other cars since I got to get tires on my truck since I got a nail in one of them. So I got to call the tire shop, see if they even have it. Am I the only one? But do you feel like you're getting hypnotized by the market today? Where it just makes you want to just click the button because it's going so slow?
No.
No. All right, it's just me. It's just me. Now I know.
Well, I mean, I get what you're saying, but it's also like I realize. I mean, each of us is different, but if I make like lazy trades, it doesn't most of the time it doesn't end well for me. So it's
Yeah.
like I would rather just wait until something happens.
No, I get that. Because I myself, I'm probably done placing trades. Unless we get some like great momentum that makes me just where like I gotta get in on this. Have a good one, Rob. Nice, BP. What type of indicator is it? That's off. That hasn't updated yet. Okay. I'll check out later, bro. I need $600. $600 to hit one of my goals for one of my Lucid accounts here. I'm definitely not touching again today. But that would put me at, I'll be able to request at minimum a $1,500 payout from Lucid. Yeah, I'm working on a payout with Tradeify as well that hopefully before the end of the month I could take, because I'm just basic. I'm taking what the market gives me. Where if I could do 2 or 3K on that account, 15 to 2K on the Lucid account, that'd be solid.
What time is your workout session today? 1? Or you?
Yeah, all my sessions are at 1 o'clock.
As I said that, I remember you saying that.
Okay, BP. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take a look at that. You piqued my interest. You've intrigued me to look at it. I'm sorry, boys, that the market, it's a no news Monday. Like, we know what no news Mondays look like.
Well, this is the worst. Like, I mean, we're still just like. I mean, you could just sign in at like 10:42 at night and see this.
Yeah, you ain't lying. All right, we're through that pivot.
Duane needs to get his mouse ready.
No, I ain't. I'm done clicking. I made $4,000 today in complete nothingness, so I'm done.
Well, I don't blame you.
Like, I'll take the $4,000 and run. I just need this pollen and stuff in Florida calm it down a little bit because my allergies been getting to me lately. I gotta get some light. I feel like it's too dark right now for myself. I want to go to bed right now. This is craziness. It's looking like a beautiful day out today. Is this going to be the push for this big old bull flag? Yeah, well, I want to click the button again, but I need to really not. Let me actually check that. Oh, this is taking everything in me now. I click buttons. I will say that. Because I love clicking the button, boys. So who made money today? Who made money today? That's the $1 million question.
I traded a couple of Sims, but it's like my mind wasn't in it, but I made money.
Yeah.
A little bit, you know.
Listen, hey, you became, how do I put it? Today was a teaching day of how to have patience, how not to overtrade. A lot of you guys, I'm proud, said you guys were walking away, not going to touch it because of how choppy the market's been. That's showing that you guys are growing. And that part's amazing for me to see because it lets me know you're starting to understand the psychology of trading.
Well, I mean, I always say I'm happy with my performance in terms of not jumping in. So that is a big difference.
And that's a major one, though, right? Because if you're not jumping in because you don't like what you're seeing, that means you protected your capital. You're not risking it for the biscuit. And that's probably one of the hardest things for traders to do is just have patience and wait.
Yep. No, I've been on the other side of the coin too much. Where I jump in, I say, and it's almost like They're trying to force something that's not there, and there's luckier people than me in gambling. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah. I want to go to bed right now. This market has not been exciting whatsoever today. No bueno. Yeah, oh, Travis, I ain't stressing over anything. It's just like, as a trader, you want to be able to trade. You know what I'm saying? But you also have to understand when the market's not moving, you can't be taking trades because
that's exactly it, man. It's like don't mistake what I'm saying. I would love to trade, but I just know that my long-term goals are not about making the short-term gains. It's
Yep.
like, or the risk in it. I would rather just like hold it together and wait for the opportunity and then clean up.
I agree with that. Because tomorrow we should have better movement. We got news tomorrow.
I think that's like it's like an impossibility to have less movement. I think.
Well, never say that because you never know.
Okay, look, can I just have my fun here? Yeah.
Anything's possible. Anything's possible. Yeah, this market's just chopping. Bulls trying to step in again, but can't trust none of these moves. Oh, it was funny on Friday when I went to my first session with my trainer. I left my house like early because I put the place on my GPS and it says it's going to take me like 46 minutes with traffic.
Yeah.
Because I guess there was some accident. So I'm all right, let me get out the house so I can show up on time. Bro, I get there. By the time I was on the highway, all the accidents were cleared. I got there in less than like, it took me like 30 minutes to get there. So I was just sitting outside just like, this is not what I needed.
Yeah, you're just like you're sitting outside the principal's office or something.
So I was just sitting there like, dang. Now I gotta think about what's about to happen to myself. For like close to like 25 minutes. It was crazy.
Well, no, I mean, but I gotta say something, man. You're inspiring me because I've been telling myself that I need to do some training, and I have my routines, and so I'm not gonna be doing like hits 5 days a week like you, but I do need to get some cardio in there, so just to blast it. So cardio hit mitt.
No, you guys motivated me because when I recorded that video in San Antonio, I looked at myself and like, dang, I'm fat. I gotta get this fixed. Especially with me recording videos and everything like that. I want to be looking right. You know what I'm saying? For myself and y'all. And I'm like, you know what? It's time to make a change. Put my money where my mouth is and pay somebody to get me right. Well, BP, I'm always early, but I'm never trying to be like 30 minutes early. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just crazy. So, like, today I'll show up like 5-6 minutes early so I can get in there, use the bathroom. I always use the bathroom before working out. So that way I don't have to use the bathroom during the workout. So get there early, do that, and then just get it done and sit in the car afterwards thinking about life and how fat I am. Breaking below this pivot point again. Like, yeah, be careful. Be careful. That's all I'm going to say if you're still trading. I'm excited to see though how he does my splits. Like I know today's chest day. I'm like, okay, what else are we going to be doing? You know what I'm saying?
Well, because I mean, yeah, you got your targets, but like you was saying, if you're doing your hit stuff, yeah, that's gonna be like total body. But one of the things I like to do is like, you know, just go down on the weights where somebody, oh, this will be easy, and you're doing like fast twitch, and then you're just like repping it out, and then doing a pyramid, and then at the end you're just like begging for mercy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. That's the one thing I will say. I told him about how I strained my intercostal muscle or whatever in my chest last month. So he did not give me heavy weight whatsoever. He's like, bro, I know you can lift more than this, but we're not trying to strain anything or damage anything while you're still recovering.
No, absolutely. I mean, the dude's a pro, obviously. You know, I mean, it's never your intention if you're like doing personal training or post rehab to like have an ego. So it's like you get in, you get stronger, and then you test it, and then you'll be going crazy in no time.
Yeah. Yeah, BP, you are correct. I'm training on doing splits. Yep, that's what I said, bro. Splits. No, my trainer has me on different body splits. So Mondays will be chest, Tuesdays back, Wednesdays legs, Thursdays shoulders, Fridays arms, and all that stuff. All with hit. So those are the splits I was talking about. I'm not personally doing splits, bro. That's kind of crazy. I ain't that flexible now. Steve, I know you train people, everything like that as well. Was it common for clients to do like 5 days a week or no?
No, I mean, you were like kind of what I alluded to right now. I mean, I know when you take on something, you're going to live that something. So in most cases, I would say no. Certain kinds of like post like PT, like, you know, after surgery or a procedure might be moving towards that, but you know, what you're doing is, you know, really just jumping into the move, like changing your habits and your whole outlook on it. So
Yeah. No, because
like 2 or 3 times a week, you know, it'd be like upside, but there'd be other people that kind of come in and then, you know, and just kind of do their exercises, but, you know, and you're kind of passively helping them watch and perform and things like that.
Okay. No, I was asking because since you've been around the training scene for a while, BP over the weekend said that I may be like my guy's like top client because I'm doing 5 days a week.
I would definitely say that. I mean, if somebody's, because they're like, let me say this: there's people that will like say like, you know, like if I got a wedding in a month, and they'll say like I'll do like 2 weeks or whatever, but you're just kind of booking it, you know, until you're done. So in that case, I would say you're a top client because, you know, people might get nervous and like have a date in mind.
Yeah.
But then it'll kind of trail off. So
Okay.
the fact that you're just saying this is a commitment I'm gonna do, and you know, and you probably will get to a point, you know, where you can just kind of, you know, get into those real specialty workouts once you're like going with a guy. So it's gonna be really good.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see not how far. I'm excited to see the changes in the body.
Yep.
Because I was looking at some old pictures of myself yesterday. I'm like, man, I was literally maybe a month or two away from being peak level where I want to be at.
Oh no, I mean it's great. Like I need to I mean that's why I need to actually like get more on it. You know, I haven't been doing it for a while, like for myself. And so I mean I feel the same way. Like, you know, I mean that's why I'm lifting like I'm doing and really pushing. You know, and hitting personal bests, and then I'm gonna add the other stuff in just because we all deserve it. You know what I mean? And it's
Yeah.
just like training. It's the same as trading. You like somebody can't work out for you. You know what I mean? It's a very organic experience. So
That it is. That it is.
And that's one of the most amazing things about it. Like, you can have all the money in the world, you can have no money. You can't skip the line. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can do cheats, but there's no substitution for just getting in there and kicking ass.
Yeah. I'm in agreement with that. Well, folks, it's 11 o'clock. I'm going to be jumping off here. Solid day in the markets, even though the markets weren't really being all that great for us for a price action today. Tonight, we do have the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure you guys tune in and vibe up with us once again for the day. And with that, market makers, nothing but love. Stay safe in the markets. I'm going to go finish some work before I go see my trainer.
All right. Sounds
So,
good, brother.
have a good one, everybody. BP, Brett, Ule, Steve, G, Carmona, all y'all. Adam, if you're still in here. Have a great rest of your day.
You too, Dwayne.
Right, yes.
I will catch y'all later today or tomorrow. Be blessed. I'm out.